Everybody, William Jr. 210 back again with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you something I haven't seen in a long time. So yeah, you guys could probably hear it. So, no surprise, but I do live in Texas where it's not very, doesn't have a lot of rain. But it's raining. Probably heard that. It's thunder. So yeah, let's take a look at this. Alright, so that is my window. You currently cannot see out of it. And that is my neighbor's roof. Over there. So yeah. And that's the neighbors. It's raining. Who doesn't want to go out? I wanted to, but I can't. For specific purposes. Like that wasps in that friggin' tree. Yeah. You ain't getting out of there now. So that is my neighbor's yard over there. And it's pouring in the middle of the day. I wouldn't say in the middle. Still have argument. Yeah, I need to put that away. So, yeah, they're getting a bigger umbrella. So, well, this is my neighborhood. It is going to be flooded down there. Holy crap. It actually might be. Oh my god. But the street is like literally filled with water. Not even freaking funny. I'm actually glad I am inside of a house where it's actually kind of cold. Welcome to my life. Even though you can't, cause no. You can't feel the cold weather. But yeah, this is my rainy day. Not sad day, if you're wondering. I mean, literally rainy day. But this is something I haven't seen in a while. So, yeah. Interesting. Very interesting. So, yeah. I'm going to continue looking at this, but that's all for now in this video. And I will catch you guys later. And